You can live a low-maintenance lifestyle without sacrificing style or space in an active adult community featuring amazing amenities. Macy Gill and Andy Fagervik of Epcon Communities and Clarity Construction are here with more. And Andy, these are really homes designed for the way you live.
Yeah, absolutely. They're not your traditional townhome that's attached to another unit. They're all standalone homes. They're designed for, aging in place. So zero entry, no steps, open concept, where folks can live a little bit more comfortably and with a little bit more confidence.
And we're seeing some video of some of the different floor plans, and they are beautiful new construction. And you have a lot of different options for people.
Yeah, absolutely. Sizes vary from 1,500 square feet. We can get you into something closer to 3,500 square feet. Many different finishes, structural features to choose from. So folks can truly make it their own.
And what makes your home so special?
Yeah, I think just the fact that folks don't have to sacrifice luxury or quality when they downsize or when they get into something that's easier to maintain. They can still make it their own. They can still have that high quality, but becoming a part of that strong sense of community makes it special too.
Why is now the right time to explore?
Yeah, I mean, it's middle of the summer. We can still likely get you in before the holidays if you come out and take a look right now. We also have some quick move-in homes, so if you're looking to get into something sooner than later, you don't want to wait for that 5-month build process, we do have options for you to move right into.
And Macy, talk to us about the lifestyle, because it's not just the homes that really make your community so special.
Yeah, so we pride ourselves on building a really beautiful home, but it goes beyond just the home. It truly is the lifestyle that is created at each of these communities. Each community features a common clubhouse, a pool, walking trails, outdoor activities, pickleball, bocce ball courts. So it truly is a lifestyle that is created. You're never going to go on a short walk. You're going to get to know your neighbors. Your neighbors are going to become some of your closest friends. So it's easy to make those connections, and we're really proud of the lifestyles that are created in these communities.
Yeah, and we're seeing some video, and we saw the pool too, and we've seen the pool at some of your locations. So that'd be great if you can move in before the end of summer, so you can enjoy that.
The pools are very active right now.
I would imagine. You have a great event coming up this Sunday for people to check out the lifestyle, maybe even meet some of their future neighbors and check out the homes.
So we have a really exciting event coming up this Sunday. It's unlike anything we've ever done before. It is called the Tour of Homes. It is this Sunday, July 13th, from 11 to 2. You're going to be able to tour 6 beautiful homes featuring our most loved floor plans, the Portico, the Verona, and the Promenade. And what makes this event so special is that 4 of these homes are actually being lived in by current homeowners.
Oh, okay.
So you can actually see what a lived-in home looks like and get to experience that lifestyle. We're going to have local vendors throughout the street. I think you had the Outside Scoop on yesterday.
We did, yes.
They'll be there with serving ice cream. They'll be face painting. The Purple Poppy will be having a pop-up stand. You can buy some clothes. But this event is truly for anyone that is in the market to buy a home, but anyone who just wants like a fun day out with family and friends. So you can come in and really see what an Epcon community truly is.
That's fun that you'll be able to see the homes that are already lived in and how they're furnished. Because is that sometimes that people, whenever they're trying or when they're thinking about moving, is that an obstacle? Because they're like, oh, I don't know how to right size. I think we've used that term before.
Yeah, it can be. I mean, to see the true livability of the homes, that's what I'm so excited for. We've never done this before. Of course, we've had model homes and move-in ready homes that people can reference, but to see how folks are actually using them, maybe even get a little bit of design inspiration for their own home or for their new home with us. That's what I'm most excited about.
It is always fun to see people's homes sometimes.
Yes.
And you get to truly see, what a floor plan looks like come together and how someone actually puts it together in their own space.
And I think we saw the floor plan of the Verona specifically. Yep. You mentioned that earlier. Is that one of your most popular plans that people really like?
Yeah, definitely. And each home has different features. So you'll see some with covered porches. You'll see some with bonus suites and upstairs. So you can kind of see what you can create in a home like this.
Okay, again, the Tour of Homes coming up this Sunday from 11 to 2. And the address, it's at the Courtyards at Harvest Ridge in Ankeny. Lots of great things to go on and take advantage of. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
To learn more or view available floor plans, just go to clarityconstruction.com or call 515-599-5933. You'll find 3 locations in Ankeny, Johnston, and Waukee, and you can see more on social media.